Chapter 33, Fundamentals of Hydraulic and Air-over Hydraulic Braking Systems, Day 1, Video 2, Hydraulic Brake System Components. So we're just going to briefly list just the components that are used in the braking system, and in later slides and later days we'll talk about the function of each one of those components. Starting out with the brake booster system that we've got. So the ability to amplify the pedal effort that the driver has. We use different boosters to increase the pressure of the braking system. First of all, a vacuum booster. We'll find this on a lot of light and medium duty vehicles, passenger cars. We'll have this using vacuum from the engine to help to allow more force to be put into the brake master cylinder to increase the braking effort. A Hydro Boost system, so using pressurized hydraulic oil, usually from either a separate pump or using the power steering pump to produce that pressure to amplify the braking efforts. The brake pedal, of course, in the operator's compartment, where you put your foot or your boot on it to push down on the brakes to apply the brakes. So the pedal. Attached to the brake pedal is a push rod, so the connection between the brake lever and the master cylinder is the push rod. Moving to the brake master cylinder, that's where the pressure is generated, and it also has a reservoir of oil or brake fluid there, and then some pistons moving in there that create the brake or the hydraulic pressure. Reinforced hydraulic lines, it could be hard lines, steel lines, stainless steel lines, and then reinforced rubber hoses that take it from the frame down to the wheel end, because there's going to be some movement between those two as the suspension moves up and down. Disc brake and hydraulic drum brake assemblies, where they're creating the braking frictions. And then the brake fluid itself, certain characteristics of that make it the fluid to be able to use for the heat and for the absorbing moisture and that sort of stuff. So it's very specific brake fluid.